Pixies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you all already know by my community post, today I'm gonna make these two kittens, and one is American Shorthair and the other one is Ginger Cat. So without any further ado, let's get started. So over here, let's make the American Shorthair first. So over here I've taken this grey sort of fabric, and which is actually a velvet fabric. So I've taken a golden one also for the Ginger Cat, but let's start with the American Shorthair first. So over here I've taken this grey velvet fabric, and now I'll just cut it into half. Then I'll cut these two parts. After that, let's take the basic stuffing, which is white cotton, and I'll be stuffing this inside. So I'll make a cylindrical shape over here, and I'll use my fabric glue to stick these. Once I'm done with that, now I'll just cover this and I'll just close one end, and then for the other end as well I'll do the same but little bit different. So which is, I'll just cover it with a circle. So as you can see, now it's stuck. Now I'll just cover it with the same fabric circle this way. Once that is done, I'll take the other fabric piece and I'll just stuff some white cotton inside it as well. And then I'll close the corners again. So you can basically see how I'm doing. So now this will be the head for the cat. And now as you can see, I've taken this white thread, and you can take any other thread, but over here I've taken this silk thread, and I'll just cover it like this, then close the ending with a knot, and then I'll just cut off the excess part. So once that is done, this is the head and the body. Now let's make the hands and the legs. So for that also I've taken the same velvet fabric, and I've taken these cutouts, rectangle cutouts, and now I'll stuff this with white cotton as well in the same cylindrical shape as the body, but very little, very small. Now I'll just use this rounder and stuff the cotton inside properly so that I can close the ending with my fabric glue. Once I'm done with that, as you can see, I've got these 4 hands and legs, and now I'll just use this velvet fabric and cover it. And now I'll just use this velvet fabric, and to make it little thick, I'll just do the double, and then I'll just cut this shape. So it's basically a petal shape, and I'll cut it from the half. So this will be for the ear, and once the ears are ready, I'll just cut these beautiful pink colored same petal fabric again, and I'll just stick it inside this. So now once these two are done, as you can see, I'll just use my fabric glue and I'll just fold it into this shape. So once that is done, now let's stick the ears on the head this way on each of the sides. Now it's done. Now over here I'll just apply some hot glue and stick the head on top of the body. Once that is done, I'll take some more white cotton, and it's very thin, as you can see. I'll just apply it on the tummy area to give the white hint. Now once that is done, I'll do the same with the mouth area as well. Now once that is done, I'll use this cotton ball and apply it to the nose. Now I'll paint that cotton ball into a very bright pink color. And once that is done, now as you can see, I've taken this part and I'll apply this fabric over here for the head. Once that is done, now time to make the scales. So for that, I've taken this black silk thread And now I'll just start applying it from the head to the back side of the body, this way, and I'll take it all over through the back side. And then I'll just cut off the excess thread. So guys, this way I'll just repeat the same procedure 2 or 3 more times. Once I'm satisfied with the skin, now I'll move on. For the hands and the legs over here, as you can see, I'll just apply this white cotton on one side of the hands and legs over here. And it's a very small amount of cotton. And once that is done, now again I'll take the same silk thread and I'll roll it on top of that. After I'm done with that, I'll just repeat the procedure all over again. So once these are done, as you can see, this is what I got. And now for the tail, I've taken this fabric and I'll just roll it like this, and then I'll stick it. So once this is done, I'll take the same silk thread and the white cotton and I'll make the tail as well. Now once that is done, let's apply the silk thread. Now guys, time to apply the hands and the legs. So for that I'm using my hot glue gun. Now for the tail. So guys, after doing that, over here I'll be applying this black gem over here for the eyes. And once the eyes are done, as you can see, this mouth is ready. The same way I made this ginger cat as well. Now for the basket, basically the cat bed, I'll make this cute little basket. So over here I've taken this cardboard and I'll just apply these cardboard stripes all over through. Once I'm done with that, over here I've taken this thread and it's a little off kind of thread, so I'll just start covering this basket all over through with this thread, and it's basically a rope sort of thing. So guys, after applying this jute thread over here, I'll just cut these excess cardboard, and then I've taken this cardboard stripe and I'll cover this jute thread all over through, and I'll keep on rolling it until the cardboard is nicely covered. And now I've taken these other part as well, and I'll just apply it on the corners for the basket to look even more better. And once that is done guys, over here I'll take this and I'll just apply it on the bucket, on the basket. So once that is done, now let's make the more decorative part, which is the bow and some flowers. So over here I've taken this white fabric and I'll make a bow. Now once that is ready, now let's insert some white cotton inside the basket as well to make it a little more comfy for our pet cats. And once that is done, now let's apply this bow over here. and in the middle I'll apply this red rose. So guys, tada, this basket is ready for our kittens, and the kittens are ready as well. Aren't they so cute, guys? And I loved making this video, and I'll be making some more stuffed toys video in future. So stay tuned for that, guys. And this was the final effect. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.